and gentlemen, today I have a new recipe to show you guys. Here is our fish. This is a new recipe and also my traditional food in my local. So if you guys want to know how to cook this food, so please watch my video until the end. And I'm going to tell you step by step about this ingredient of this food. First, we clean it with our salt to reduce the dirty of our fish and also to be clean well. Clean our vegetable. We cut our ginger to be smaller. Then we cut our tomato like this. Green onion. So now the sky is raining and it is very cold. Even though the sky is raining, but we still continue to cook. So now start to cook. We start to prepare our vegetable and also our fish. So now start to fry our ingredient. First we add oil, then garlic, sugar, add some cheese, so now it's red. Our ingredient is red, so we add our fish sauce. Pepper. Add a little water. Wow, it's so red. Add a little bit salt. So now we add our ingredient that we already fried. And then we continue to cook maybe 1 hour. Wow, it's not yet already cooked, but it smells so good. So now we bake it. Bake it. Bake it and then we continue to cook. Maybe 30 minutes later. Wow, it looks like so yummy. So now our food is already cooked, so we can eat. I'm going to eat it and tell you guys about its taste. Don't forget, add our green onion to be more yummy. Wow. Wow. It's so yummy. Ooh. Eat our ginger. Wow. Why it's yummy like this? Wow. The best. So now I think it is time to say goodbye. And everybody, please help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more yummy food like this, to show you more for other videos. And don't forget, try to do this food because of it really yummy. You can do follow my video from the start until the end. So now, goodbye everyone. Thank you for watching my video.